What up, everybody? This your man, the Bishop. Guess where I'm at? I'm out in the greenscape, getting ready to teaching a class, teaching on how to plant a container garden with one of my students, and she's doing very well. Teaching her how to amend soil, how to plant, and I'm gonna show you some of the things that she's done already. That she's planted that there. Those are yellow onions and tomatoes. Um, she did the soil. She did the amendment. She actually did those. Those are strawberries. She actually done the strawberries, amended the soil, put hay in there. A couple other ones she's done over there. Tomatoes and zucchini and cucumbers. She's done that. We're getting ready to do another one now. See, the good thing about it is you're getting ready to see it from the beginning. For those who don't know how to do it, this is how to do a container garden 101. Go ahead, Shells. Go ahead and show them how to do it. And you all need to invest yourself in a nice drill so that you'll be able to put your drainage holes in your drill or something where you can at least make holes. You want to put enough holes in there to be able to make sure that you got the proper drainage. You don't want to get root rot. You definitely don't want to get root rot in your plants. You put too much money and investment in these plants for them to die on you. Okay, so you see she didn't put all the holes. See that? Good job. Okay, next step. I done showed her once and now she done take off. She done about 4 of them today. Get you some good gloves. So you won't mess up your hands. See the pretty nails she got? You don't want to mess up them nails now. Y'all ladies, especially your ladies are getting into gardening, which I'm so glad to see that. A lot of ladies are getting into gardening now. Some of these are really working ladies. They're getting into gardening, which is really good. See, she got this bag of Stay Green. I normally get this flower and vegetable garden, and you can get that at Lowe's or Home Depot for $4 a bag. Very good soil, but you can't just use that alone. I don't teach people to grow flowers. I teach them to grow soil, and Shell's going to show you in a minute how to do that. And you're seeing right now she's breaking up the soil because sometimes it comes compacted because of the weather and it gets kind of wet. But she's breaking that up really good. And she's going to begin the amendment process here in a moment. And just kind of watch as she does that. What she's adding now is peat moss. You see that? Miracle-Gro peat moss. I think I paid $6, $5 or $6 for that. I think that's a cubic feet bag, I believe. Almost a cubic. That right there is bone meal. You definitely need that organic. What does it say on the front there? Yeah, source of phosphorus. All plants need phosphorus. That helps to give them that color in there. You know, you want to have that vibrancy in your plants. Next thing is called blood meal, which is nitrogen. The green, that helps you to have all the green that the plants need. All plants need nitrogen too. Blood meal. And all this, you can buy all of this at Home Depot or at Lowe's or any of your. You got these cicadas out here flying all over the place. Now I want y'all to know something too. And that right there is called Purolite. Purolite is not. It's very important to have because it is an aerator. It aerates all of the soil to keep your plants from compacting, the soil compacting. So she's putting that Purolite in there. And one more thing. These cicadas, they're having a ball today. Y'all, we out here in the middle of the cicada. Now, you know you got to love gardening right here, and that's called vermiculite. Vermiculite is another aerator. It's good to keep the soil from compacting, and it helps to germinate the seeds if you're going to plant seeds. I normally do these with seedlings, but you can do that. Now, you see how she's got all in there? That's a good mixture of blend. She's a mixologist now. Yes, sir. And y'all, believe it or not, Shell just learned how to do this today, and she's already good at what she's doing. She's just learned to do this today. So, ladies, you can learn this in one day's time, and I can teach you how to do this. See how look how that look. That's professional looking soil right there. That's what you see when you go into the big box stores. You go in the store and you're paying $10 to $12 for that, and what I just did only cost me $1. Of course, I had to buy all the amendments, but it didn't cost me nothing except for the dirt, which is $4. That's it. That's it. Save you some money by doing your own soil. Save you some money. I got another one of my workers out here, Marvin. He's terrified of these cicadas. He don't like those things. He told me that last week. He said, Pastor, I do not like those cicadas. I said, well, I got you. I understand. Shell like me, she a trooper. She just knock them off and keep on moving. Marvin will too. But he just watch them and make sure they don't get on him. You see him looking around. Y'all hear that? Yes, indeed. Marvin, I want to put that fence up today.
Yes, sir.
That little fence I got over there. So.
A little bit more dirt in it.
Oh, that should be good.
That's good?
That's good.
Okay.
Let's go ahead and put the rest of your stuff in there. Uh-oh, you.
I had to. Ain't no way.
Well, hey, there's enough of them out here. A couple of them, if you let them bite the dust. A few of them biting the dust ain't gonna hurt them.
Right.
There's billions of them things out here.
Yeah.
So. You got any more amendment stuff you want to put in there?
Yeah, I do. I'm just
okay,
breaking
you're just breaking
dirt
it all up?
because it was bulky.
Right.
So I'm just making sure, So, repeat the process.
You repeat the process, everybody. Bone meal. That's what that is. And there's no particular order you have to put these in. You can put them in as you please. Just make sure you use all of it. All the different amendments. Because you want to have the best chances for your plants to grow and to be fed. Because plants, they need food too, just like you and I do. They are living organisms. So they need to be fed and watered, just like you and I do. She look like she's been doing this for all her life. Marvin, you okay, son? I see.
They ain't gonna get you. All they gonna do is land on you. You just pick them up by their wings and...
See, you see that? Did you see that one land on my neck? When
I
you...
did. I was like, that's ridiculous.
Yeah.
How you just chilling like that?
I just felt it because it was cold when it hit my neck, but
Oh, yeah.
other than that, it didn't. Because I know they don't bite. Now, yeah, there's a myth about cicadas, y'all. Cicadas are not blind. I want y'all to know that. They are not blind. They can see. They are not blind. A lot of people think they're blind because they fly all over the place. No, they know what they're flying. They just like to fly on things. And they'll fly on you.
Okay, so...
All right. So we are done with that aspect. See how good that look? That's what you want it to look like. That is perfectly amended soil that will last through the entire season. You want to go ahead and put some of the
yeah, I was gonna put that in.
Oh, you're gonna put
the
okay. That right there is collard greens. Right there. Yep. Grew that from seed.
That was already seeded by yours truly.
Yes. And when these grow up, you're talking about some awesome looking plants.
You just take it.
You see how she's doing that? Ladies, y'all watching?
Moving it out so it don't touch the bottom. But
That's
just
right.
enough.
That's it.
So you just set it in there.
That's it.
Take the dirt.
Mm-hmm.
The dirt around it, amended dirt. Make sure it's in there nice and good. take the dirt around it, pat it down so you can make sure it's planted in there.
Y'all look at that. Look at that.
Yeah.
Look at that, y'all. Y'all now y'all can y'all believe she just started this today? It's almost, and it's hard to believe she just started this today. Okay. All right. Now I'm gonna take a pause for the call, y'all. We'll be right back. Thank you for watching Hagen's Greenscape, Urban Greenscape, where we teach you how to grow. Stay tuned.